All right, so here's what we got going. I got the 3 sleds out here. The Yamaha, if you're wondering, it's at home, it's not here, but it's running fine, so I'm not even worried about that. Right now I'm going to start with the Scuzzy because as you notice it's parked a little bit on an angle here, and that's because there's a hole in the tank where the Patanger comes out for the fuel line, and it pees fuel out pretty quick. So I want to start with the Scuzzy. We'll see what happens here. Gonna throw some chocolator at it here and see if she starts. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Come on, baby. This is that recoil that I'm having problems with. That's not fixed yet. It's gonna go. There it goes. Almost on 3 cylinders. Okay. Let's go before it runs out of gas. I'm really not gonna be surprised if I'm walking back to the other sleds. Whoa, this thing's got some power now. Feel that. Let's go here. This is gonna end badly. Woohoo! Yes, baby, she's going. Oh yeah. Feel the power of the Scuzz. Doesn't handle worth a darn. Still not really revving real good. I think it's a fuel issue because that fuel pickup is kind of floating in the tank, so I think what's happening is the fuel sort of running out of gas. Oh yeah. Ooh, I can smell the gas. Yeah. Again, I'm not looking for good here, just good enough. It seems to be working. Not well, but working. Well, I have fuel on my boot. Oh yeah, this is so good. So I think it's time to bring this thing back to the shop. Because it's, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, I think we're good to go again. Woohoo! Eeny, meeny, no, I'm just gonna go with the gold member here because this thing is incredible. I mean, look at it. Just look at it. I mean, that's a good looking sled, but that's better. I mean, unbelievable. Gold and brown. Snowmobile colors should be gold and brown, I think, forever. Oh. Oh, she wants to go. All right. Oh, come on, babe, come on. There we go. There we go. All right, here we go. Woohoo! Oh, this is so comfy. I'm gonna go this way. Whoa! Yeah, there we go. Oh, I bottomed it out there in powder. How do you do that? We are wide open on the Finger Blaster 3000 here, if you notice. And we're moving. This is all she's got. Nothing left. And we're in a snowmobile track. We'll go straight. So we'll see if it slows down when it's cutting its own powder. Yep, it's slowing down when it cuts its own powder. I think we're doing, it says 50. I don't think that's actually 50. Oh, that traveled right up my spine and into my head. Oh, there was a bump there. I didn't even see it. So, I think this is about good with this one. We'll bring it back and see if we can get the old 650 running. There it is. Look at that beautiful sled sitting there. Oh, that's next. And we're done. I love this thing. It's incredible. So this, if you know, is my 650. I've had this for a long time, since before I was 16. I'm gonna fire it up and get some heat in it. Oh, come on, baby. Oh yeah. She wanted to go. Feels like 2 years old, but all right, here we go. Oh yeah, 10,000 RPM right there. Let's go for a journey of discovery. We got the sun coming out. This is an SKS after all, so I mean it is a mountain sled. In case you can't tell, definitely a mountain sled. Oh yeah, look at that. And carve until you hit something with your butt and then you fall off. Just gonna mow some trees here. Oh, what's going on? Come on, baby. I might have picked up a little snow dust. She'll work itself out. Here it goes. Now come on. Oh, what do we got? Some temperature showing. That's not good. Maybe we blew something. I'm just gonna like go back here because see what happened. See, I got a little aggressive there. Got a little aggressive, and now I got a light on in the dash. I just don't want to hurt it. That's all. Just really don't want to hurt it. But there you go. So I didn't have to walk back to the shop, so I'm pretty happy. I call this a win. Yay! Oh.